I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, I'ma go and get some money. If I die today, if I die today.
Cold flows for a cold mind, see a new world, but I'm so blind. Kick rocks when your time's up, better start digging like a coal mine. Cold heart, seen cold times, it's a bold move, but the sunshine raise up when you...
Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, in this video, it's not going to be too long. I'm going to show you guys how to stake your ADA on Yoroi. Okay, so this is a video for a newbie to Cardano. Since Cardano is exploding, I get questions every single day. I've created numerous videos on how to stake, but I'll create another one because there's not too much going on. I mean, we already know that the hard fork date is coming soon, but there's nothing too crazy going on, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how to stake via Yoroi. We're going to be using Brave. You can use Chrome. I don't think you can use Internet Explorer. You can use Firefox. But if you just stick to Chrome, Brave, or Firefox, this should be very easy. Now, if you're a newbie here and you don't know where to go, you don't know what to do, I would highly recommend you go to the Cardano Reddit. Okay, it's reddit.com/Cardano. All right, here it is. This is what it looks like. Now, why are we coming here? Because newbies get preyed upon by scammers by downloading the wrong wallets. If you download the wrong wallet, all your funds that you put in there will get wiped out. Okay, it happens all the time. I see it every single day. So this is why it's important to pick the right wallet. Now, how do we do that? We come to the Reddit. Okay, this is the easiest way, guys. Just follow me. We're gonna click on the Get Started guide here. If you are new, please read this. Don't be lazy. This is money we're talking about here, guys. This is your money. You need to be about your money. So read this, learn what you need to learn about ADA, but that's for another day. I'll let you read that on your own time. We're gonna scroll down a little bit here. This tells you everything you need to know about ADA, literally everything you need to know about ADA. We're gonna come to this section here called Storing Your ADA. Now, the reason why I like coming here is because all these links here are true. These are real links, all right? You're not gonna get your ADA stolen. There are plenty of fake dataless wallets out there. There are plenty of fake Yoroi wallets out there, and there are plenty of fake ADA Lite wallets out there, okay? This ADA stuff is going to be big one day, and scammers are out for your money. So be mindful, be cognizant. Now, if you click this Yoroi link here, it will take you to the Yoroi page. It is Yoroi-wallet.com, not YoroiWallet.io, not YoroiWallet.crypto, Yoroi-wallet.com. All right, guys, so that is the correct URL. I will have these URLs down below in the pinned comment. Today, we're going to be delegating to OneCom, One Community ADA, ticker symbol 1COMM. These guys produce so many blocks. They produce about multiple blocks per epoch. They have 0% fees as well, so you're getting the maximum amount of ADA delegated. So please consider delegating to them. We're going to be delegating a sample amount of ADA in this video to OneCom, so you guys can follow step by step how I do it, and step by step so that you guys won't get scammed or won't delegate to the wrong pool. So thank you to OneCom for sponsoring this video. Back here, so here's the Yoroi website, nice and clean. We like it. I like Yoroi. I'm not doing a dataless full node tutorial because it takes too long. Dataless downloads the whole blockchain, and it's very clunky. If you don't have a decent computer, you're gonna be sitting there for an hour for a dataless to sync. So we're gonna use Yoroi. ADA Lite's pretty cool too, but Yoroi is my favorite. So we're gonna download the Yoroi wallet. Again, they have Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Android, and iOS. We're gonna use the Chrome here. It's gonna take you to this page, and here is the Brave wallet. So this is the correct wallet, guys. Don't get scammed, don't pick a wrong wallet. Here it is. Remember to follow the links that I showed you. We're gonna hit to add to Brave, and then it's gonna show up in our little area here. So we're gonna click Yoroi, and it's gonna take us to the wallet interface. Okay, now here it's very, very important. You're gonna select your language. We're gonna click continue, obviously. Now here is the most important part. Okay, they are gonna show you in the next slide a seed phrase. You do not give that phrase to anybody. Anybody. I don't care if it's your mama. I don't care if it's your cousin, baby mama, auntie. Don't give that phrase to anybody. But before we get to that, we're going to click to agree to the terms of use. Pretty much telling you, hey, you know, they're not going to track your behavior. You're responsible for it. We're going to click continue. And then we can click to allow payment URLs. Sure, you can go ahead and do that. I don't like notifications popping up, so I'm going to hit, yeah. You know what? Never mind. We're going to skip that. Just going to skip that for now. If you guys want to enable that, that's on you. Now, there's a number of things you could do. I would highly recommend, if you're new, to pick up a hardware wallet. A Trezor is really, really easy to get. I believe I have a link to that in the description below if you want to pick up a Trezor. But if you don't have that right now, that's okay. We're gonna click create a wallet. Okay, real easy. We're gonna click Cardano, and we're gonna create a new wallet. Okay, we're going to, you know, put in the wallet name, ADA test. ADA test wallet. We're gonna put in a spending password. I'm gonna do a little bit of YouTube magic and then we'll get to the next slide. I'll be right back, guys. Now, with this spending password, guys, it's very, very important that you don't lose it, because this is how you send ADA to people, or to another, if you want to cash out on Coinbase, something like that. You need your spending password. Do not give anybody your spending password, because if they have access to your wallet and they have access to your spending password, they can send your ADA anywhere. So we're gonna go ahead and create a personal wallet real quick. Now, here's the most important part of this whole thing. They're gonna show you a set of 15 random words, guys. Okay, this is your wallet backup phrase. I would highly, 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 highly recommend you write this down and you put it somewhere safe that you will always remember. Okay, you do not want to lose this, because if you lose your computer, or you move, or your computer gets destroyed, in order to restore your wallet, you're going to need these 15 words, guys. So we're going to click here. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of YouTube magic because I don't want you to steal the 5 ADA that I'm going to put in here. So you're going to click here, and then they're going to give you a list of 15 words. You're going to put them in. You might need to put them in again just to verify that that is correct, and then then the wallet will be created. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're back. We put in our recovery phrase. Make sure you read this and understand it. Make sure that you have your recovery phrase written and secured. Let's take a look at this warning. This is important. I understand my keys are held securely on this device and not on the company's servers. I understand that if this application is moved to another device or deleted, my money can only be recovered with the backup phrase that I've written down and saved in a secure place. Okay, please do not, for the love of God, store this on your phone. Don't store it on your computer. Store it on some paper in a safe somewhere. Okay, guys, we're gonna hit confirm, and bam, here is the Yoroi wallet in all of its glory. Okay, I like it because it's nice and clean. It's nice and clean. It tells you everything you need to know, when the next epoch is, all that good jazz. All right, guys, so a little bit of housekeeping before we get into how to send ADA, how to delegate it. When you first delegate your ADA, guys, it's gonna take about 20 days before you start to see rewards. You will be paid for all those epochs, okay? An epoch lasts 5 days, all right? So every 5 days you'll get paid in ADA, depending on how much you stake. All right, and we're gonna show a little bit about how much ADA you need later, how much ADA you could expect to get based upon price and passive income, and how to retire on all that after we're done with here. So, okay, obviously I don't have any ADA on here. You can vote as well. You need at least about 500 ADA to vote. You receive ADA from here. Okay, here's the ADA address. You can send ADA from here. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. If you need me to teach you guys how to send ADA and stuff, that could be a different video. Your list of transactions are here, and then the dashboard is here. Now, another thing that I forgot to mention in my last video about staking is that there is a 2 ADA fee for staking. Now, before you freak out, you can get that 2 ADA back, guys. All right, that ADA is not lost forever. It's only 2 ADA, and that is just the transaction fee in order to stake. Okay, I forgot to mention that last time, but this time I am mentioning it. Here we got some themes that you could change, wallet stuff, all that good stuff, level of complexity, all that stuff. So here's the simple one, and here's the advanced version. We're gonna keep it on the simple. And then Byron era wallet, Shelly era wallet. If you had Cardano in 2017 and did not transfer it over, you would need to transfer it over, but that's for we're not even going to get into that today. Okay, now, so we're gonna I'm gonna send some ADA here. I'll be back as soon as the ADA gets into the wallet. And so if you bought ADA on Coinbase, you would send ADA to your Yoroi wallet here. It'll show up in the wallet, and then we will show you how to stake it. So I'll be right back, guys. All right. Well, guys, this is actually a teaching moment here. Looks like we're having some technical difficulties. I sent some ADA on over here to this wallet, but it's not showing up. It looks like Yoroi is having some problems. They have been having problems for the past couple of days, so hopefully they get this fixed. Now, I have some ADA in this wallet here. It says 0 ADA. People are freaking out, like, where's my ADA gone? Oh my goodness. Did I get scammed? Well, this is actually a good teaching moment. Here's what you can do to figure out, what happened to your ADA. Is it just the wallet that's messed up or something else? We come to receive, we type in we copy our address here, okay, and then we go to CardanoScan.io, and we input our address here, click search, scroll down, and we can see that we have a balance here, guys, okay? So we're not delegated to anywhere yet. I'm gonna move to my other Yoroi account, my other test account, and we will finish delegating to OneCom. But if you put ADA into your wallet, in your Yoroi wallet, and it's not showing up and you're freaking out, all you got to do is go to your receiving address, copy it, go to CardanoScan.io, type in the address here, click search, and you will see the blockchain pretty much. The wallets do not hold the crypto themselves. All the crypto's on the blockchain. So if your Yoroi is messing up, if ADA Lite's messing up, if Daedalus is messing up, you can always check your balance and everything on CardanoScan.io. Okay, so that was a little teaching moment. I was a little frustrated when Yoroi wasn't working, but I figured I'd show you guys that. So we're going on over to Chrome, guys. I did this test wallet last time, but this time we're going to delegate to OneCom. Now, the easiest way to do that, let me move back to Brave real quick. Easiest way to do that, guys, is to use the pool ID. Pool ID is typically right here. It's a long string of characters. All the pool IDs are on in the pinned comment when I tell you guys about the stake pool, and they are on pooltool.io as well. So that's how you could find stake pools as well. But the reason why I don't like using the ticker is because sometimes people spoof stake pools. They make fake stake pools and call them like OneCom. So somebody will copy OneCom's website, copy OneCom's everything, and then use the same ticker and steal people's delegation from the real OneCom. So I like to use the pool ID. You can't really fake that. And that's how you'll know you're getting the right stake pool. So we're gonna go ahead and copy that. We're gonna come back to Yoroi. This is the delegation list all the way to the right, guys. So we got the dashboard here. You got the delegation list here. We're gonna just paste that address right here, hit search, bam. The right stake pool comes right up. All you need to do is click delegate. It's gonna automatically delegate all your ADA, okay? There's not a way on here to separate ADA delegation. You're gonna type in your spinning password. This might not work because Yoroi's down, but trust me, okay? Just trust me, it'll work. So, oops, sorry. Thought I had the right spinning password, but apparently not. Oh, crud. Well, I'm not gonna fuss with this right now. This is messing up. You're messing up my tutorial. Goodness gracious. But you're gonna type in your spinning password. You're gonna hit delegate, and you will then be delegated to OneCom. You just gotta trust me. Yoroi picked a shitty time to start messing up right when I wanted to do a video. So I apologize. We couldn't go through with the whole thing. Hopefully the rewards show up in the wallet here. Nope. All right, Yoroi's messing up. So it messed up my whole tutorial, but that's okay. So I showed you guys pretty much how to do it. You know, you're going to send your ADA over here. You're going to go over to the delegation list. You're going to put in the pool ID. You're going to click delegate. You're going to type in your spinning password. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. You are now delegated to OneCom. Now, why is that important? Because you're going to want passive income. And I showed this on the last Yoroi staking update video I did. This website is amazing. This is CardanoWithPaul.com. And this pretty much tells you guys how much annual rewards you're going to get based on the current price and the amount of ADA that you have. So, ADA right now is about $2. How much is it? How much is it really? $2.12. So if we come back over here to Cardano with Paul. So ADA is $2.12. So pretty much we need 188,000 ADA to make $20,000 per year, and you'd get about 9,000 ADA per year. I have a price target of ADA being $5. You would only need 80,000 ADA, and you'd be getting about 44,000 ADA per year, and that will give you about $20,000. Now, let's just say you wanted $2,000 a month in ADA, you would need 96,000 ADA, and the similar characteristics apply. Now we're assuming a 5% staking reward return because that is the average. And then we get crazy, $32 ADA, you would only need 15,000 ADA, and you'd get about 750 ADA per epoch, and you will be rich pretty much. Alright guys, I apologize that the thing didn't work. It's really frustrating, but I'm not going to redo this video because I've already been talking for 20 minutes. I love each and every one of you guys. Don't let your memes be dreams. I hope this was informative, and I will talk to you tomorrow with the VeChain and Cardano updates. Have a great day, guys.